Hello and welcome to Shop Mad. I'm Anthony Wood, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a self-centering marking jig. Really easy to make. Stay tuned and I'll show you. I'm using a square piece of stock which is 25mm square. Make a mark at 100mm. And then mark in 15mm at either end. Using a marking gauge, scribe a line up the centre of the workpiece. Then highlight the score line with a pencil mark. Mark in 50mm. Then square the lines that you've previously marked. You should now have all of your hole centres marked ready for drilling. Using a 8mm drill bit, drill out the two end holes. Then using a 7.5mm drill bit, drill out the centre hole. The centre hole is for the pencil. Apply some glue to the two outer holes. And now install two 8mm dowels. Wipe off any excess glue. Install the pencil into the centre hole. To use the marking jig, place over the piece of wood you wish to draw the centre line on, making sure both dowels are touching the wood. Then draw the jig towards yourself, and then you'll have a perfectly centered line. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.